Angel Stadium, we are back. Supercross season 2026. Year 14 for me being here and walking this tunnel. So pretty special. Doing it as a 3-time champion is pretty crazy, and today starts the journey after the 4th.
That was good. I mean, that's how you want to start the season, right? First one up?
Hey yo! Give me the body shot! Come on, body shot! You need a cover now. That was great, man. Good stuff, bro.
Not a bad night, honestly. We'll take that all day long. Chill. That was not stressful at all for me. It was good.